Hi Muriel, thank you very much for your submission. I hope you enjoyed the writing mission for Island 1. On this island you learned a lot. You learned about the word order of questions, WH question words, vocabulary about ice hockey, the present simple tense, frequency adverbs, and frequency phrases. So you learned quite a lot. Now the writing task asks you to imagine you're going to be a journalist and you will interview a friend or a member of your family. We asked you to write down 5 questions and then also write down the answers. Now Muriel, I can see you've done a great job. Let's take a look at your work. Now, I love your first question. Can you play piano? Great question. Now, I would like you to write a capital letter at the start of your sentence. Make it clear. And just be careful that when you're spelling a word, you don't squash the letters together. Okay, you need to make piano. And I can see that the answer, I can play piano. Very good. Now, 2 things we need to look at here. We need to say a, and we need to spell little with an L in here. I can play piano a little bit. Full stop. Well done. Now your next question is a classical question. Can you swim? Can you swim? Auxiliary verb, subject, main verb. Yes, well done. Excellent question. And I think the answer is very good. I can't swim, but I will learn. Now, you don't need this comma here, but does the job of separating the 2 clauses, I can't swim and I will learn. So there's no need for a comma. But I love your full stop here. Now your next question is very good. How many times now here you need to say a week. Do you go to your office? How many times a week do you go to your office? So you don't need weeks. And the answer is very good. I go to. I suggest you need to say my office. Let's make that clear. I go to my office once or twice a week. Very good answer. Now your next question is very good. What's your favorite food? Now, once again, make it clear that this is a capital letter to start the sentence. And be careful with your spelling, favorite with an I. And I see the answer is I like pork and pizza. I think everybody likes pork and pizza. And I also see you have the world's biggest full stop. That's very good. Just be careful that you separate your words clearly so we know you mean pork and pizza. And your last question I think is beautiful. Mum, do you love me? Now, Be careful once again. Capital M to start the question. And here should be a comma. Mum, do you love me? And of course your mum's answer is, I always love you. Yes, of course. Muriel, thank you very much for your work. I really enjoyed reading this. I hope to speak with you again on the next island. Bye-bye.